good, YouTube? This is your girl, you know who, D Love Luxury. So I'm back with another video, and today's video is going to be on what I got for Christmas. This video is going to be short and simple and to the point. Your girl just got off work. I got a lot going on. Tomorrow's anniversary. Tonight is game night with the kids and all that. So without further ado, let's just go ahead and get into it. I'm not going in any particular order. We're just gonna do it. So the first thing that your girl got for Christmas is my favorite, the Chanel perfume. When I say your girl's favorite, this is my favorite. Not the favorite, but the favorite. Okay? So that is one I got. Another one that I got was this one here, which is the Jimmy Choo. It's okay. It's not my go-to one or one that I reach for in the morning, but it's okay. Okay. Now, the next one is my favorite. The favorite, okay? When I say the favorite, this is the one I go to every day. I just can't help it. It's me. When I go to work and I get off the elevator, I have a co-worker that be like, I know you here because I smell your perfume. So, without further ado, this one here, I got not one, but two. So, they was listening for Christmas when I said, I need my favorite. So, your girl favorite is the YSL Moon Paris. This is my favorite. Got to have it. So, this is what all I got for Christmas as far as perfume. Now, my second one is 2 for 1. Y'all get a 2 for 1 special because I already wrapped and did something to the other one, and your girl wasn't coming home to undo all that for the video. I love y'all, but it was too much for me to do. So, y'all got a special edition, 2 in 1. But I can say that the first one did come in a box like this. So, if you know what it is, you can comment down below and leave me a comment what you think it is. And I'll let you know if you're right. If you're right and you really guessed it, I'll give you a shout out. Okay. The next one is this one here. Okay. If you think you know what number 2 is, leave me a comment down below. And this one here is special, you guys. It's just special. I am really into this print right now. I don't know why. I just love it. She even has a name. That's how sexy she is. My mini-me gave her a name. Her name is Brandy. So I'm going to show y'all Brandy. And Brandy should have gave y'all the hint of what it was. But without further ado, what your girl got was the Louis Vuitton Monogram Reverse Pochette Metis. And when I say you got 2 for 1, the other one was this bandeau right here. If you know luxury, you know which one it is. Let me see if I can open up the box and tell you the name of it. It is the Louis Vuitton Silk Monogram Confetti Bandeau. I think I said that right. But yeah, this is Brandy, y'all. So welcome Brandy to the club, to the collection. She's here to stay. Like I said, I don't know why I am into this monogram print. I'm just loving it. Everybody knows about the Pochette Metis. I haven't did anything else to Brandy. This was enough right here for now that she needed to make her statement. So that was it no, I lied. That's not it. The last one I picked up for myself. I still haven't had a chance to actually check it out or anything. I guess I just haven't not been bored, but just hadn't had time to see what it's about. And I picked it up because I wanted to see what the hype was. Everybody was, you know, picking this up. I'm like, okay, well, let me see what's going on. So without further ado, this is what your girl got. The Louis Vuitton edition book. I did pick this up from TJ Maxx. It was $59. I ordered it offline. It came pretty fast. I got it before Christmas, like, you know, a few days before. I didn't open it up until Christmas. You know, your girls just slid it under the tree. It was like, oh, that's the present for myself. But I am going to get around to opening up and looking at it. Just because I hadn't had time, I went online and kind of watched some videos and seen what other people's, when they opened it up, what it was about or whatever. But I am going to get to it since I spent the money for it. Other than that, you guys, I just wanted to come in, do a quick video because your girl missed last Sunday and I was upset about that, but things happen. So I'm going to make sure I try to stay on point, and here's this Sunday's video. If you guys want me to do a certain video, leave me a comment down below what you'll like to see, and I will try to get that video done for you. I did have a subscriber who asked me to do an updated Louis Vuitton handbag, luxury handbag collection. So I am going to do that of all my bags that I have for her. I don't know if it's going to be next Sunday or the Sunday after. One of those. Because, yeah, one of those. So I will get that done for her just because she took the time out to request it. I'm going to do it for her. Other than that, you guys, I just want to say thanks for coming to your girl's channel. Thanks for trying to help me grow my channel. It's going slow, but surely it's moving a little along. So let's help push it on up. Other than that, like I always say, leave me a comment, subscribe, hit that like button, share your girl's videos. That way I know that you are watching and my views are getting up there. So help a sister out. And until the next time, you guys, your girl